Hello everybody. Today's job. What's today's job, William?
Big job, getting all the piping in. So the pipe for the ditch, water, electric, and all them pipes. Get the granites here, so we get the granite in the house. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of digging.
Yeah, we've got all the stonework moved from where the garage is going to be.
Yep.
I managed to dig all that up, get the concrete base up, that's all done.
Yeah, level the front of the house out.
Yeah, that's all
Still
levelled.
needs some doing, because it's not level.
And then yeah, today's job is going to be just where you've got the water pipe, you've put the tubing on the water pipe to protect it.
That's long enough.
That has to be dug deeper than the electric pipe, doesn't it?
Yeah, so what we're doing is that I think we're going to go between 60 or 70 centimetres deep. So water's going to be at 60 or 70, then we'll come, fill it back up 20 centimetres and get the electrics in. Because you don't want it the other way around.
So the water doesn't freeze into it.
So because you've got a depth level where you put the water on the ground and it won't freeze. So yeah, it needs to be. Well, I've been talking to plumbers and all that, electricians. They said in 50 is alright, but I just want to make sure it's only in 60 or 70.
Well, you got the JCB
here
to
might as well do it good the first time.
Yeah, don't have to do it again then.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, the ditch pipe work in the ditches, and then that can be all covered over and got a bit more room to work on then with the JCB, because it's a bit dodgy at the minute because it's not even, and that one's doing, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's it. We'll see where we go today.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So
that should be good to get that done, and see if we've got time to do guttering pipes into the ditch. That could be good.
Yeah, because the other day when it was raining, the gutters, because it hasn't got the damp pipes on, then that's just going all into the wall, and then it's getting all the wall wet through, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that'd be good to get them on, stop the water from coming in. So yeah, on it.
Crack on.
Crack on. We're on it. See you in a bit.
We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So we've got another little problem. These drainage pipes that go along the driveway to the other ditch is full up with soil. So it looks like we've got to pull them out now.
Looks like they've never been cleaned out. We've had it, how long? 8 years, and they've never done it, so...
Yeah, this is not our job.
It's broke anyway.
Yeah. This is not our job to clean them out. But it shouldn't be our job to replace them neither, but they ain't going to do it. So while we're at it, I think we might as well do it.
Yeah, so another task
Unexpected
to
job.
do. And then I don't know if we'll have enough pipe left now that William's brought to fill everything in. So we'll have to see how that goes, won't we?
Yeah.
So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again.
So with the minute where I showed you where the car parking area is going to be, where the electric boxes, all the cherry tree had to come out because it's going to be like a parking area eventually. And then the electric cable's got to go in this place from where the electric box is, right in front of the house where the water meter is. So it's got to be dug out 60 centimetres below ground. So hence why all the groundworks had to be done here first. So I'll just show you what we're up to in a minute, and yeah, more digging. See you in a bit. Well, this bit's going to be interesting because this is where the water pipe goes into the main house, and we haven't got a clue which direction the water goes in, so we're going to have to be a bit careful here. Watch this space, and hopefully Mark won't hit the water pipe.
There's all tree roots nothing it. That way, I'm telling you. Go bottom to it, so.
So, as they say, every day is a learning day. You can see this is the water pipe. Around the water pipe there's sand, so we knew that there was something to be warned by. And the warning was that there was something there. We knew the water pipe would be there, but the water pipe's not near as deep as it should be. It should be 80, it's half the depth. It's only 40, so that could cause a problem with the frost anyway. So yeah, as we've been told and shown, the water pipe has to be 80 deep into blue piping, like covering the water pipe up, and then some like blue meshing over the top of it. So when you're digging, it shows you the blue water. Same with the electrics. Water pipe has to go in first because that's deeper, and then the meshing over the top, and then a layer of sand. The electric will go over the top of that. Same thing applies. Electric cable with the red running through it, and then the meshing over the top of that, and sand over it. So first of all, you hit the sand and you know, yeah, there's a problem. When Mark was digging that hole out, you could see the sand coming out of the hole, so it was a bit late then to go through the water pipe. Good job it wasn't switched on, and it's not in use at this time. It wasn't switched on. So yeah, another good work done today. Mark's just gone to the Brico shop, go and get some more supplies, go and get some more piping, some regards, some fixtures and fittings, so we can get this next process done. So yeah, lots achieved. The pipe works in for the main drainage. Lots of soil and that been shifted. Okay, it's a good job we've got a JCB, isn't it? I don't know how much it would have cost William to hire the machinery out and to do all this work if not. So I think he's grateful. Anyway, we'll see you all again next time. Hope you've enjoyed the show. Hope you've enjoyed what we've been doing. Yeah, things are ticking along, and especially when the stonemason gets here, there'll be lots more progress and things to be doing. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe, to like, press the button. See you all again. Bye bye.